Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Telegram too many attempted. Please try again later. Okay, this is the basic error step by step. Follow the steps. But I will using for the Windows. I will step by step solution for you will see. Okay, you will go to the you click to the Telegram. Click to open. After you see the triple dot, you click to the app info. After you click to the settings, you will see the more settings and performance. You will scroll down for you see the all location. You will change to hello. Okay. After this method is not working only, you will click to the clear data and the clear cache. This is the you will using for the mobile only. You will change to always change to the allow. After you click to the clear data and clear cache for the Telegram. After click to cancel, you will check to this problem. It is the 100% fix it. Thank you for watching.